So what I'm gonna do, I got $500 of my own money that I'll put on the line right here tonight. So the question is, does anybody have the guts? Who's it gonna be? Oh, I see we got some takers out here. But come on, that would be too easy. Come on, is there anybody? You want to take it? Hey. Oh, come on, you can't be serious. Hold on, let me get this straight. You want to take the Master Law Challenge. You want to take the Master Law Challenge. Are you even 18 years old? I'm serious. Hey, all right. So I've been gone for a couple years. Let me just ask you, what's your name and where you're from?
My name is Eli Everfly, and I'm from here in Los Angeles!
All right, you seem pretty fired up. $500. Go ahead and have a seat.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's do it for Eli, come on! Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. One more victim to Chris Masters Law Challenge. Fuerte el aplauso, ladies and gentlemen.